29 years old singer and a graduate of BSHRM at Arellano University. A former ground attendant at Cebu Pacific, and now proudly saying, a costume and gown rental shop owner. But tonight, since this is a pageant, please do allow me to capture the image and handle the beauty of your one and only, the most sexiest vlogger on Philippine history. But di po natin sabay-sabay, palakpakan at hiyawan naging isang Miss Ivana Alawi. Ivana Alawi po na nag-iwan ng isang kasabihang nasa Pinoy ang tunay at sarap na pagmamahal. Pero lagi po nating pakatatandaan na nasa apam ang pambayad ng utang. And